Hi, I'm Coco from Japanese Sake Sisters. Shiro and I have a passion to promote Japanese sake and culture around the world.
Thank you for watching our channel. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
We introduced Chef Sonoda at Ise-shima restaurant and his exquisite dishes in our earlier episodes. Today he will show us how to make Oshizushi with pickled mackerel.
Oshi means pressed in Japanese, and it simply means pressed sushi.
So do you use nori or seaweed?
No, Oshizushi is not the raw sushi, but sushi rice and the toppings are pressed into a block shape.
It's popular especially in Osaka and Kansai area in Japan.
It's a good dish for New Year's, and we wanted to share our culture with you.
はい。で、これがわさびの葉の漬物です。で、これがいりごまです。で、これがしそです。いりごまはちょっと目が粗いので、ちょっと叩きます。いいですか？いいですか？はい。簡単に終わるように簡単に。もう家で簡単にできるような感じで。で、またこのしそを。大体のところでこのくらいの分量でいいと思うんですよ。はい、ですね。ボウルに移します。そしてそれに先ほど作った大葉とわさびの葉とごまを混ぜます。で、はい。乗せます。だらーん。
こうやって作るんですね。
はい。で、一番さらしが一番いいんですけど、今今日さらしがない。で、これで出来上がりです。
For Oshizushi, we picked Gekkeikan Gold. Gekkeikan Gold is a Junmai Sake from Kyoto, Japan by Gekkeikan. It's lightly aromatic and more on the dry side. You can best enjoy it chilled or at room temperature. The gold design complements the feeling of celebration. Thank you for watching. See you later.